A very warm welcome, viewers. Welcome to Business Notice. This is Kajol Sinha, and at present, I'm with Girish Kousgi, who is the Managing Director and CEO of PNB Housing Finance Ltd. So, sir, welcome to Business Notice. So, could you give us a small gist regarding today's event?
So I think we've been really planning to get into Northeast for a long time. I think with the initiative of NHB, Ministry of Finance and Government of India, because there's so much of focus to develop North India, especially on the mortgage side. So we thought, I think let's make a beginning. So today we, PNB Housing, along with Aadhar Housing together, we have opened a branch each. So the plan for us is to try and open 9 more branches in next 12 months, taking total number of branches in Northeast to 10. So we started affordable business about 27 months back, and we have reached a book of about 5,000 crores. So having explored all the regions like South, North, and West, now we thought it is the right time for us to get into Northeast and try to expand business in Northeast and try to develop the market.
Okay, and sir, for the very first time, PNB Housing Finance is going to have the branch in Northeastern region. So, what are the expectations?
I think it's really very potential. Today, if you look at the entire mortgage industry, Northeast contributes to just 1%. I think the total mortgage book in Northeast about 35,000 crores, and the entire market is approximately about 36 lakh crore. So it's hardly 1%. There's a lot of potential. I'm sure. I think if housing finance companies come forward and try and open more branches and do business in this region, I'm sure this 35,000 will grow to about 1.5 to 2 lakhs in no time.
And sir, who are your consumers? Can you please tell our viewers?
So we focus on the lower strata of the pyramid. So our consumers are basically economically weaker section and LIG group. So people, let's say for example, somebody who's into pawn shop, small retailer, somebody who has a medical shop, somebody who has a who's into small, let's say hotelier. So these are the customers. So we cater to them. They're the lower strata of business. Most of them, everyone has income. Most of them don't declare the income if they're into business, and if they're into salaried, they'll be earning cash salaried, or even if it is check salaried, they'll be earning very less salary. So depending on the income and depending on the property value, we give loan to these customers to try and be part of the government missions of housing for all.
And sir, what are the interest rates?
So our average interest rate is about it's about 12.4 to 12.5%. We have different rates depending on the risk of the customers and the products. I think on an average it's between 12 to 13%.
Okay. And sir, are there any special scheme for women borrowers and tribal communities or weaker sectors of society to encourage inclusive home ownership?
Yeah, we do have lot of schemes for women, so there is concession as well. Otherwise, there is a PMAY Urban 2.0, which is announced by Government of India and driven by NHP along with couple of others. There's a lot of focus on this because customers do get subsidy of 1.8 lakhs over a period of 5 years. So this is a special scheme. So this scheme attracts, is very attractive, and a lot of customers do come forward to avail home loan. And we participate in this scheme, and we try to source as many customers as possible.
And so, lastly, I would like to ask you what strategic factors influence PNB Housing Finance decision to enter the Northeastern housing finance market at this time?
As I mentioned to you, I think we've been in this business for close to 2.5 years, and we have close to 200 branches only in affordable, what we call as Roshni. And now we thought it is time for us to have a footprint in Northeast and probably grow from here on.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.